Hello friends, welcome to PryTech. This is part 1 of JavaScript interview question series. In this video, we will learn what is JavaScript, what is interpreted language, what is scripting language, what is the difference between scripting language and programming language, where does JavaScript code runs, what are the advantages of using JavaScript, what are the disadvantages of JavaScript, how to write JavaScript code, where should the script tag be placed in the HTML page, what are the two important attributes used in script tag in JavaScript. Once you understand and memorize these questions, you are comfortable to attend any interview and apply these concepts in your project or application easily. What is JavaScript? JavaScript is a lightweight interpreted programming language. It runs on the client browser. Every programming language can be either interpreted or compiled. JavaScript was developed by Netscape, a software company. What is interpreted language? Interpreted language is a programming language. It executes instructions directly from start to end without compiling a program into machine language instructions. An interpreter will execute the program by translating statements into a series of one or more subroutines before finally translating them into another language, such as machine code. What is scripting language? Scripting language is a programming language. It has series of commands that executes on the client browser without being compiled. Example: JavaScript, BabyScript. The scripting language is basically a language where instructions are written for a runtime environment. What is the difference between scripting language and programming language? Programming language are compiled, scripting language are interpreted. Programming language need compiler to compile the code. Scripting language no need to compiler to compile the code. Programming language create a binary file or executable file and memory will be allocated. Scripting language does not create any binary file or executable file and no memory will be allocated. Example of programming language: C, C++, Java, C#, etc. Example of scripting language: JavaScript, BabyScript, Perl, Python, etc. Where does JavaScript code runs? JavaScript code runs on web browser. A web browser or browser is an application which accessing information on the web, that is World Wide Web. Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Firefox, Safari, etc. are example of web browsers. What are the advantages of using JavaScript? The main advantages of JavaScript are form validation. The form validation done at client side, which reduces the round trip between client and server. This reduces the server load and the application run faster at client side. Second, client machine for processing. JavaScript uses the client machine for processing. Third one, partial page updates. Partial page updates are possible without reloading the entire web form in JavaScript. It is called AJAX, asynchronous JavaScript and XML. Fourth, less server interaction. You can validate user input before sending the page off to the server. This saves server traffic, which means less load on your server. Fifth, JavaScript is open source. You can use it without any licensing cost. Sixth one, animate elements. You can easily show or hide elements and section and other activity of the page in JavaScript. What are the disadvantages of JavaScript? Cross-browser compatibility issue. All browser does not support the same piece of JavaScript code in the same manner. Functionality and the UI may vary from browser to browser. This is the reason why we use cross-browser testing. Second, security. JavaScript code runs on the client machine, so a malicious user may track the browser history, stealing password, etc. This is the main reason why people disable JavaScript. How to write JavaScript code? We can write JavaScript code inside script tag. Inside script tag, we will write our JavaScript logic. Where should the script tag be placed in the HTML page? We can place it either head section or in the body section. In both the cases, JavaScript code works same. Example 1, script tag in the head section. So inside head section, we define script tag, and inside script tag, we will write our JavaScript logic. Example 2, script tag in the body section. So inside body section, we define script tag, and inside script tag we will write our JavaScript logic. What are the two important attributes used in script tag in JavaScript? Language and type are two important attributes used inside script tag. The type attribute specifies that the script is JavaScript. If the type attribute is absent, then the script is by default treated as JavaScript. Thanks for watching this video. For more videos and stay updated, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please feel free to comment if you have any query. To boost your career, please subscribe this channel now.